I'm going crazy, and I thought you ought to know I'm going crazy. It's how I want to be, yeah. Crazy over vegetables, and that's alright with me. I nibble on some broccoli, amazing, what a taste. And now the parsley on my plate will never go to waste. Eat some squash and pumpkin too, as much as I could hoard. It got me so excited I went right out of my gourd. I'm going crazy. Oh, what can I say? Yeah, I'm crazy over vegetables. I eat them every day. You can lock me up in a padded room and throw away the key. Before you go, please toss in a stalk of celery. Some asparagus, what scrumptious little spears. I was eating corn until it came out of my ears. And now I'm eating artichokes, radishes and peas. I've gone completely loony over vegetables like these. I'm going crazy. It's crazy but it's true, yeah. Crazy over vegetables, I love them, yes I do. I'm going crazy, 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 crazy. It's how I want to be, yeah. I hope that someday everyone is crazy just like me.
Okay, so napakaganda pong maging crazy, okay, sa vegetables and nutritious foods. Gaya po ng sinayaw at pinresent ng ating pong talented